Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
In 2008, the old version was replaced by a new modified 16-valve power units. Instead of a belt, a chain was applied, and also the designers solved the problem with corrosion of the head by changing the gasket. Let's consider the main technical characteristics of the motors: working volume, cm3 torque, nm cylinder diameter, millimeter modifications. In addition to the main motors, several modifications were born in the production process. Let's consider what they are and changes: a variant of the same engine with a smaller displacement, 2.494 cubic centimeters, called 2KD FTV. The base variant, discussed below and used on the RAV4 CLA20, the 1CD FTV variant on the Avensis features a conventional turbo, vacuum operated EGR valve, standard alternator, conventional belt tensioner and slightly less power, the 1CD FTV variant on previous 30 years. Mainly characterized by a gear-driven balancer. Maintenance of D-4D internal combustion engine is carried out characteristically, as for all diesel units. Service interval is 12,000 kilometers, but most experts and motorists agree that for safety and increase of resource it is necessary to reduce this figure to 10,000 kilometers. During maintenance, consumables and oil are changed. The first item includes coarse and fine oil filters, as well as fuel filters. Depending on the operating conditions, it is also recommended to check the air filter, which after 15 to 20 kilometers may be clogged. Particular attention during maintenance, especially if it is carried out with your own hands, should be paid to the condition of injectors, glow plugs, as well as the condition of the high-pressure fuel pump. Untimely repair of the latter can lead to a more serious breakdown of the plunger pair, which will entail additional investment. Engine repair. Repairing a D-4D diesel engine is hard enough at home. So, you can carry out minor repairs, but larger breakdowns are recommended to be repaired in a car service. At home, you can repair the fuel pump, replace glow plugs, change the valve cover gasket. D-4D cylinder head. The main problem that motorists often encounter is the diesel powertrain trolling. In this case, the problem can often be hidden in clogged injectors or malfunction of the high-pressure fuel pump. Both parts require special equipment for repair, and therefore it is worth contacting a car service to eliminate the malfunction. Cleaning and diagnosis of injectors is carried out on a special stand, which will clearly identify the faulty element. As for the fuel injection system, it also requires special knowledge and skills that not every motorist possesses. Often, the elements of the cooling system fail, which are simple enough to change at home. These include the thermostat and water pump. Cylinder block D-4D. So, due to poor quality spare parts, the thermostat can quite often wedge, which leads to engine overheating or constant operation of the electric fan. As for the water pump, it goes out of order, at the formation of workings on the bearings. The second option is the formation of leaks from under the shaft, which is easy to determine independently. The change of the element is carried out quite simply. It is necessary to dismantle the drive belt and unscrew a few bolts of fastening. Conclusion: the D-4D engine is a Japanese power unit from Toyota. The first impression of the engine is positive. Low fuel consumption and high power characteristics are impressive. But, on older versions of the motor there was a problem with corrosion. Repair and maintenance is recommended to be carried out in a car service center, because the process is quite complex. Toyota D-4D motor. D-4D cylinder head disassembled D-4D motor.